Hi, I'm Travis with Parts for Garage Doors. You may be finding it difficult to find where to buy a new garage door or garage door parts in Houston. A lot of advertisements say that they sell parts, but they really want their service company to come out and perform service for you. We have a garage door parts store. Our store location is at Beltway 8 and I-10. You can visit us at 11020 Katy Freeway, Suite 116. We're open from 8 a.m. in the morning till 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, and also on Saturday from 9 till noon. When you come to our parts store, our team is ready to help you. We'll make sure that you get the correct door that you're needing, the right size. If you have any parts that you need, like a garage door spring, we'll make sure that you get the correct size spring for your door. If you have a garage door opener that needs parts, we know the right questions to ask you to make sure that you get what you need. Our store carries some of the big stuff. We've got garage door panels, we've got the long tubes, we have the strut bracing that will help support your door if it's bent or sagging. We carry track, both vertical and horizontal track. If you see daylight underneath your garage door, we sell all types of weather stripping, both in 8-foot long and 16-foot long. We've got universal weather stripping if you have a manufacturer that's difficult to find. A broken garage door spring is one of the main issues that people have where they may want to do it themselves and save a lot of money. We carry all the spring sizes for residential garage doors, and we can get you that commercial garage door spring. We can either have it cut or order it within 2 to 3 days. Make sure that you make note of the spring size that you have, including the length of the spring, not including the end pieces, and not including the gap if it's broken. You do have to measure the broken spring, not the unbroken one, but the broken spring, because it's out of tension. When it breaks, it's no longer under tension. There's going to be a gap there, so you just measure one segment, then measure the other segment, add it together, and that'll be the total length. Again, don't include the end pieces. And that's the length of the spring. You also need the wire diameter, so if you hook your tape measure on the broken part of the spring and count over 20 coils, you're going to get a measurement like 4.5 inches or 4 1/8, 4 3/8. Try to be really accurate on that measurement, because that's really going to help get you the correct spring. The other thing you can do is bring your old spring with you to our parts store. That way we can match it. If you're going to take the old spring off, make sure you always unwind the non-broken spring before you unbolt anything. So it can be really dangerous if you start unbolting that spring. It's going to want to twist on you when you get it undone because it's under tension. So the old spring that's not broken, make sure you take winding bars and you unwind that first. It should be anywhere from 29 to 34 quarter turns. Give us a call if you have a question about anything we talked about. We do offer delivery for those large items, the panels, the struts, the long torsion tubes. If you don't have a vehicle to transport that to your house, we can help you out with that. Just give us a call if you have any questions. We'd be happy to help you. And as always, we'll see you when you get here.